How to fix Facebook message not delivered. In this video, we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you have to go open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK. Then you have to back, click on first stop now. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook. If it's not updated, that's it, your problem will be solved after this. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know what channel. See you another